Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you most of all enjoy. You can also donate to my channel by clicking on that click card up in the corner there. You can also order stuff from my affiliate link down in the description, or you can visit my other pages. Everything's down in the description. Today we're going to be cleaning rubber floor mats that look like this and make them look like this. You really only need a couple things. I have a Tornador gun. If you don't have one, you don't need one. You just need some scrub brushes and a simple cleaner, and also some water. Let's get to it. So this is my Tornador Classic. I'm going to use this to agitate a lot of the dirt on the surface. So I'm just going to go across it with this Tornador gun. This should agitate a lot of the dirt. I also saved a little spot over there in the corner just in case you don't have a Tornador. You don't need it. I do have this brush in front of my drill here, which is really handy, but if not, you can just use any brush you have around. So I'm just going to spray a little Simple Green all over it. You can use any all-purpose cleaner that you have. I'm actually going to do the whole thing. Now just go over it with the brush really well. Alright, now that I've done that, I'm just going to spray it off with some water. Alright, so it is looking pretty good, but right now it's hard to tell because it's wet. I'm going to go back over it with the Tornador again. If you don't have a Tornador, just keep going over it with the cleaner and the brush, getting any dirt and agitating any dirt you can. Alright, I'm now taking some of this Armor all-purpose cleaner. I'm just going to spray it over the top. This seems to really get some dirt off. That's what I did with the other one. I have a different brush on the drill. I'm set to go. Alright, now that we have the Armor All on and it's all brushed again, let's hit it with the hose. Alright, I'm going to dry it now with a rag. Alright, so that's the finished product after it's sprayed off and dried. You can make it a little bit shinier by spraying this Armor All Protectant on it, which helps shine it up for a few weeks. I did it on the other one. This is the driver's side, so I don't want to make it slippery, so I'm going to leave it off. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video. I really do recommend you get these. These are like $10 on Amazon for a few of them. They really do help, and it makes the cleaning go so much quicker. The only thing that's annoying about them is when you put the cleaner down, it kind of sprays all over you because it's spinning so fast. But otherwise, I really like these brushes. They work really well for this process. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.